Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Discovery D300 Metropolitan Edition with an eye-catching Fuji White exterior complementing the Matrix LED headlights. This Discovery also comes fitted with 21-inch alloy wheels as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. This Discovery also benefits from a full service history as well as coming fitted with the electrically deployable tow bar, alongside a brake towing weight of up to 3,500 kilograms. This Discovery also comes fitted with electrically foldable rear seats, allowing for ample space for up to 7 passengers. Stepping inside the Discovery now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as a Meridian surround sound system, electric window controls and blind spot assist. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. And then just taking a look at the head-up driver's display and coming down to the centre console. Here I'm just showing the 2-zone climate control as well as the extremely responsive Pivi Pro infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Discovery now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.